Technology advancements creates flexible operations in business platforms. And eCRM is one such a tool which simplifies the sales cycle for business to business and business to consumer transactions. Before we get to understand the role of CRM in B2B, that is business to business, it would be better to know what actually is business to business marketing. Marketing can be done only if there is more than one person involved. In B2B, marketing is between one company and another company. For example, company A wants some raw materials to start their production and hence will make an order with company B. So the buying and selling is between company A and company B. The business may be involving a manufacturer and a wholesaler or a wholesaler and a retailer. The volume of sales will be higher in B2B than the sales to a household consumer. Now, is eCRM really needed for B2B transactions? Yes, it is very essential. Since the volumes of transactions are quite high in B2B, it is important to monitor the buyers and record their order history. It is necessary for every company to have a database of their clients, preferably in a single server, which also helps in market research. So, without database, a company cannot withstand in a competitive marketing field. So, a good eCRM tool helps organizations become more efficient in B2B as there will be a better storage of information and easy retrieval of data. It also helps in sharing information and increasing the knowledge base of the marketers. The eCRM approach records the customer's market behavior amidst the marketing changes. These applications collect information from clients' channels like websites, chat rooms, online calls, email, etc., and analyzes it. The data often includes quotes, inquiries, sales reports, and notices of issues faced, etc. These details are kept in a database, usually a cloud one, that can be accessed by any company staff. So B2B concentrate on companies and not on individuals. So it's in companies' interest to get more corporate customers involved. When companies are the clients, they are likely to have multiple viewpoints and requirements at each buying stage. It may be difficult to figure out the client's preferences, and it is better to adopt eCRM software to know and persuade smooth functioning of the business. We know that it's always better to check some real-life B2B CRM examples. So here comes a short list of well-known brands that use CRM software on regular basis. So let's take a look at them. The HUL company, that is the Hindustan Unilever company, knows the importance of keeping their clients' data all in one place. That's why they use CRM software to collect real-time customer insights and launch data collection campaigns. To achieve that, Unilever applied a platform called Traction. So the application helps to start and conduct multi-channel campaigns, collect customers' feedback, and analyze it. For example, they asked the customers to complete an online survey for one of the brands like Dove. So Unilever engaged all possible channels, and this refers to TV, online media, emails, door drops, etc. So using Traction platform, Unilever manages 44 brands. Another example is Cisco, which is a US tech company, where the sales department found that they work 20% more time on strategic tasks. And by adopting WebEx software, they found that external interactions was increased by 40%, while the average amount of working time decreased by 10%. So their customers were fully satisfied with the level of service, giving Cisco 4.88 on 5-point scale. One of the main goals of each business is building a loyal client base, and the B2B companies struggle in developing the right strategies, generate leads, and improve their services. So it is thus believed by practice that CRM tool helps in client research and also for updating the client's data for the B2B companies. Thank you.